hour later? Chris, where are you going?
I'm going to the store. I need to buy something.
Really? I need to go to the store too.
Would you like to come with me?
Yeah, let's go together.
Would you like to go now or later?
I would like to go now.
What?
Now would be better.
Okay, let's go.
Should we walk?
No, it's too far. We have to go by train.
Okay, sounds good to me. Do you have enough money?
Laura, what are you going to do today?
I'm going to shopping.
What time are you leaving?
I'm going to leave around 4 o'clock.
Will you buy a sandwich for me at the store?
Yeah, sure.
Do you have enough money?
I'm not sure.
How much do you have?
$25. Do you think that's enough?
That's not very much.
I think it's okay. I also have 2 credit cards.
Let me give you another $10.
Thanks. See you later.
Bye.
Bye.
Hello, Richard. Hi, Karen. How have you been? Not too good. Why? I am sick. Sorry to hear that. It's okay. It's not serious. That's good. How's your wife? She's good. Is she in America now? No. She's not here yet. Where is she? She is in Canada with our kids. I see. I have to go now. Please tell your wife I said hi. Okay, I'll talk to you later. I hope you feel better. Thanks. Robert, this is my friend Mrs. Smith. Hi, nice to meet you.
Hi, nice to meet you too.
Mrs. Smith, what do you do for work?
I'm a doctor.
Oh, where do you work?
New York University Hospital in New York City. What do you do?
I teach English.
Where?
At a high school in New Jersey.
Oh, that's great.
Mrs. Smith, would you like something to eat?
No, I would like to have a coffee only.
Okay. Let me order.
Thank you.
Mention not.
Excuse me, do you know how to get to the mall? Sure, I used to work there. Go straight about a mile and then turn left at the light. The mall will be on right. Do you know the address? Yes, the address is next to the street. Can you write it down for me, please? No problem. Is it faster if I take Highland Avenue? No, that way is longer. There are more stops light on that street. I think you're right. Thank you. You're welcome. What's today's date?
It's July 5th.
When are you going on vacation?
I am leaving on Sunday. We're going to Canada.
Really? The day after tomorrow? That's very soon.
Yeah, I know.
How long are you going to stay there?
About 2 weeks.
All right, have a nice trip. We'll meet you soon.
We'll meet you soon too. Joseph, who is that woman? That's Susan. What does she do for work? She is a doctor. Is she American? No, but she speaks English fluently. Do you know her? Yes, I know her. We're friends. Who's that guy? He is Matt. Do you know him? I don't know him, but I think my sister does. Is he married? Yes, he's married. I remember now. I met him before. That's nice. Thank you. You're most welcome. Brian, do you know how to speak English? Yes. Where did you learn? I learned in college. You speak really well. Thank you. How long have you been in the United States? From 3 weeks. Is your wife with you? Yeah, she just got here yesterday. Have you been in California before? No, I've never been there. Have you ever been to Las Vegas? Yes. I went there once on a business trip. Jeff, I am going to the supermarket. Do you want to come with me? I think the supermarket is closed now. Oh, when does it close? At 7 p.m. That's bad. Don't worry. We go tomorrow morning. It's open at 8 a.m.
Okay. What do you want to do now?
I want to go to the next station. My sister is waiting there.
Where does she live?
She lives in San Francisco.
How long has she lived there?
She has been there for 10 years.
That's a long time. Where did she live before that?
San Diego.